Good morning, guys. In today's video, I want to show you free things, cheap things that have made my life better and given me space for self-care. I was feeling stretched so thin this week, and those small gifts you give yourself make a difference. They do. Nothing in this video is sponsored. Self-care is more than spa products and bath bombs, although those don't hurt. It's taking action for you. So consider this a video from a friend. 7 ways I take care of me on a minuscule budget, and how you can too. I adore videos like this because they're relatable and realistic. I hope you guys enjoy.
First, rising fuel. Getting up in the morning, for me at least, I think it's so important to have a healthy breakfast that keeps you going, and I've been loving these paleo pancakes. They're by Birch Benders. You can find them at your grocery store for under $5 or even at Costco. They're gluten-free, grain-free, paleo, have protein, dairy-free, all the good, and I like making little portions of them. You can even keep these in your fridge and warm them up for a healthy breakfast, and my kids love them too. Next, the podcast 10, and this is totally free. With my morning coffee and breakfast, I'm all about the 10-minute podcast. I love Rachel Hollis, and her Rise podcasts are the perfect length for me to empty and load the dishwasher and get some morning motivation. Today, I was listening to an episode on leadership, and it actually inspired me to make this video. Then I stick Owen in front of something and pull up YouTube for free fitness. And my favorite channel right now is Mad Fit. She has lots of short 10 and 15-minute workouts, and she even does some quick ones to my favorite pop songs. These are really challenging, but it packs a punch in a very short amount of time. I always feel really good about myself after doing it. And I tell you what, the secret to entertaining your kids is definitely kinetic sand.
So I can't promise they do a great job of keeping it in the bowl, but it does entertain them for a long time.
Next is morning prep. I don't often have a lot of time for this, but here's a few things I've been loving for self-care. And the first are these masks from the dollar store. They have tons of name brands like Say Yes to Carrots, and just having them on your counter reminds you to take care of yourself and use them. I also like to take care of my skin, and that means using a bronzer instead of tanning in the sun. And my favorite is this Sublime Bronze by L'Oreal. It's a foam that rubs on and it gives you a subtle glow.
So you can see it just gives you a nice natural glow, and it doesn't collect on your knees in a weird way like some of them do, and it actually smells pretty good.
Number 5 are my road freebies to take care of myself and pamper myself when I'm on the go, because I usually have a kid or two in tow.
All right, guys, when you are out running errands, make sure you check the site. I love free things. There's tons of free items that stores are giving away, so if you're gonna be in that store anyway, pick up that thing. There's a deal that was going on today for a free 8x10 photo.
I'll also link below kids' meal deals where you can find all the freebies happening that day around town.
Did you get free food? It's so good. Oh my God, a free meal.
When I get home from errands, I usually clean the house for a bit, and something that I love that's totally free from our backyard is growing mint. It's so easy to grow, even we can do it.
Oh, thank you, Owen.
Infused water always motivates me to drink more, which is a healthy choice for sure. And something that I fell out of for a while, but I've been really getting back into, are guided meditations. Some of them are a little woo-woo, but I'm gonna link my favorite one down below. It's simple, it's just 10 minutes to calm your mind. It's not about trying to eliminate racing thoughts, but just kind of letting them float by, especially if you're somebody like me who struggles with anxious thoughts and anxiety. It really helps me tackle the rest of the day and be more productive. It's crazy how those small investments make such a big difference later. as I'm working throughout the day, I try to focus on things I can do that are cup fillers. And for me, that's investing in friendships and people who live far away, like my sister-in-law in Japan and friends who aren't nearby. I use an app called Marco Polo. It's kind of like a walkie-talkie. You record messages and send them back and forth. You can open whenever you want to. So when life gets crazy, you still feel like you're connecting with people. And I read a really cool article the other week saying that self-expression is a huge part of self-care, even if it's just a little bit of time invested. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I love playing the piano, and lots of you ask where I get my free music. I get it from a site called MuseScore. I'll link it below. There's tons of instruments available on there. And if you're looking to learn piano, even just a few tunes you can pull out on the fly, I love the app Flowkey. I think it's awesome and a really great way to learn songs for free. Did you see anything in this video that you'd want to try? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. I think it's really cool just to see simple, free, frugal things that other people are doing. It inspires me to try something new to take care of myself, even if I don't have a lot to spend.
Did you guys enjoy this video? If you did, definitely leave it a big thumbs up and join the Dime Tribe by subscribing so I can catch you in the next one. Hey guys!
Do you like that lemon?